Just make your head sound, baby. MC Billion. I've been looking for you everywhere.
Nah, your job is that, man.
How are you now?
I do right.
MC Billion, I get one question for you.
Nah, your job is that. Wait till the question this
I
time.
want to ask you.
Yeah.
Sister, can you marry, will you prefer to marry a virgin or a wolf?
Oh man, this is your question, dude. This is your question, dude. The two no bad, But you know, being a virgin is actually good, fantastic. You know, now you go first tear them, now you go first tear them, now you go first be the first person to enter inside, now you go first dance around this playing garden and all the rest of that. She understand? But you know the problem we go get now the lecturing time where you go start to teach the girl the positioning, the soundtracking. But you see, all has been to so many school of thoughts. Like when you put it on a position, she sabi the next position. When you put it, she sabi the right tracks, sabi the right sounds. So Samia, please, are you a virgin or are you a wolf?
Over.